Hello, my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are beautiful, amazing, wonderful wherever you are. This is your extended love reading for December 2020. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. And I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. Okay, Aquarius, gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages, whatever messages are important for you. Okay, Aquarius, and let's start your extended main reading. I have already done your main basic reading. I have uploaded that video, but some of you has not checked that video. So I'm going to clarify these cards, and this in this video I'm going to tell you the what are the energies. Here I'm looking right now, I can see right now there is someone from your past, Aquarius. Okay, Six of Cups is here, so there is someone from your past who you know. Okay, there is someone from the past which is trying to get back to you, Aquarius. They're getting to know, they're getting to realize your worth. They are unable to sleep at night. Okay, the Nine of Swords is here. Okay, Nine of Swords is here. They are unable to sleep at night. Before they were exploring other options other than you. The Seven of Cups is here. Okay, they were keeping their options open. They were not committed to you. They put you in a third party situation. Three of Swords is there, but now they get to know that, Aquarius, they know your value now. I can say that they are very sorry. They are feeling very sorry, Aquarius. You are rising as an Empress. Now they know that they have done wrong with you, basically. Three of Swords is there. Now they getting to know that they have put you in a third party situation. The Seven of Swords was there. Okay, they put you in a third party situation, and there were lots of fighting, drama, arguments going on between you and them. Now they get to know your worth, Aquarius. They know that they have done something wrong with you. Okay, but they're coming back, Aquarius. They're coming back to give you some kind of passionate new beginning. Okay, they're coming towards you, but you are holding back a lot, Aquarius, from them, and you are not accepting the cup at all. Four of Pentacles, Four of Cups. You are not accepting a cup. It's your choice, but I was feeling very heavy while I was doing that. I was literally feeling like a crying. They have done a lot of shits, I can say. I do not have to use that word, but they have done many wrong things, I can say that, with you. Okay, but your defenses are high. Okay, your defenses are high, and here it is the World card. You completing the karmic cycle. Okay, the ending of a cycle. Once you do not accept the karmic one, okay, you completing some kind of cycle, Aquarius. I need to go these cards in the extended one, but they have put you in a third party situation, that is for sure. Someone from your past is coming back. They are not happy at all. See again, Seven of Swords has come. King of Pentacle, I was taking the clarification. So they were lies, cheating, manipulation. This energy was not good at all. They put you in a third party situation. They manipulate you. Okay, lies, cheating, manipulation was there. They were exploring other options. Now they are getting some kind of judgment, Aquarius. Nine of Swords is there. Okay, see, Five of Cups. They are not happy without you. They are feeling very sad, remorse, guilt on those things which they have done with you. That's why they are not able to sleep at night. They are not at all happy. They're feeling very sad, Aquarius. Usually I get messages for you from your point of view. See, it just fell out. I'm not going to take these cards. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Seven of Cups. They want to move forward with you, but the devil is attached here. They were keeping their options open. And let me see the messages now. Let me see. What are the messages? What are the clarifications? Okay. Clarify me Six of Cups. Knight of Wands. Someone who was player kind of energy. Knight of Wands. In and out energy. They can't stay at one place, Aquarius, for long period of time. They will come to play with your emotions, and they will ghost you again. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Hierophant. Either you were married to this person, or you were in a commitment with this person. Either you were committed to this person for long period of time, or you were married to this person. There is someone from your past who is a player kind of energy. They're coming back. Okay, let me see why there is Three of Swords. Clarify me Three of Swords. Clarify Three of Swords. Hierophant, Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and Four of Swords, Aquarius. Again the Hierophant has come, okay? You were married to this person, or you were committed to this person, okay? A commitment which was equal to marriage. This is not a 1 year, 2 year relationship. This was a long year of relationships, okay? From many years you both were together, basically you both were committed to each other, okay? You were putting lots of efforts, time, okay, energy, love, everything in this relationship. You have put everything into this relationship, okay? Eight of Pentacles. You were working so hard, you were putting all the efforts, all the things in this relationship, okay? But now you are coming towards a calmer waters, Aquarius. You have Knight of Pentacles, because after this energy, after whatever they have done with you, Three of Swords, whatever they have done with you, Aquarius, you took lot of time to come out of this energy, to come towards a calmer waters. Now you're coming towards a calmer waters. You are resting, rejuvenating yourself, you are healing, okay? You're healing your heart. Can you see there is a heart which is here, which is, there are stitches on the heart, okay? So this is Four of Swords energy. After the Three of Swords, there is Four of Swords, okay? So now you are coming towards a calmer waters after so many long period of time, because Knight of Pentacles is slowest decks in the tarot. So you have put lot of time to come towards a calmer waters. You were unable to come towards a calmer waters, okay, in less time, okay? You took long time to come towards a calmer waters, maybe because you were hurt a lot, Aquarius. So you took lot of time to come towards a calmer waters, to rest and rejuvenate yourself. They hurt you very badly. That's what I can feel right now. I'm literally feeling like crying. I have done so many readings till now, but till now it never happened that while doing your reading I am feeling like crying, I can say. But today I'm feeling like crying, I can say that. Okay, let me see more. uh why there is an Empress? Clarify Empress. This is you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Star. Empress is clarified by King of Swords, Seven of Swords again, and Two of Wands. Aquarius, you know the truth. You are someone who knows the truth, and you're ready to cut any clarification, any lies, cheating, manipulation going on with you. Okay, you will ready to cut. You know the truth, that what is the truth. Okay, there is Seven of Wands again come for you, okay? You're defending your energy, you're protecting your energy aura, your defenses are high, You do not want to indulge any kind of relationship in which you will get your heart back. The Two of Wands is here. Maybe you are at the crossroads, okay? Maybe you have to make a decision between two roads, okay? But you know the truth, Aquarius. Your defenses are very much high right now. Can you see Seven of Wands and Seven of Wands? Both are here 2 times. You know the truth, that I can say you that. Okay, you're taking the energy of King of Swords. You know what is right, Aquarius. What is the truth? You know that. And you have to make a choice. You have to make a decision basically. Okay, let me see. What is Ace of Wands? Emperor, Two of Cups, Five of Wands. They're coming towards you to offer you a Two of Cups. Five of Wands is attached here. Drama, lots of fighting with them. I need to see more because the Emperor and the Empress both are here. So I can say that this can be your twin flame, the soulmate. That can be a possibility. Clarify me, Four of Cups. King of Pentacle, King of Cups, Two of Swords. Aquarius, you are unable to make a decision. There are maybe two energies for you. The King of Pentacle is again here. There is one person who is sneaky, manipulative. They always break your heart. They always put you in a third party situation. Okay. But then one there is King of Cups is here. King of Cups is all about who is full of emotions, okay? Who knows the value of emotions, who is emotionally stable and grounded. And you have to decide between these two. That's why there is Two of Swords and Two of Wands is also here. You have to choose between two persons maybe. Okay? But you are not accepting a cup from someone from your past. Let me see. Why there is Four of Pentacles? Clarify Four of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Three of Swords again. They put you in a third party situation. That's why you do not have to. Again, see Four of Pentacles, bottom of the deck, and it just fell out. Hermit. You're doing some kind of soul searching. You're doing your inner work. You are looking answers from within yourself. You do not ready to accept a cup from anyone. Looking answers because there were conflicts around this person. Five of Swords is there. This energy is very much high. Okay, let me see. Why there is Fool? Clarify me, Fool. Six of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, bottom of the deck I'm having Moon. There were some secrets hidden from you, Aquarius. Okay, there were some secrets hidden from you. The Queen of Swords and Six of Pentacles, okay, is there. So this is your divine counterpart, I can say that. Okay. So they try to give you that they are going to give you equal amount of give and take. But that's not truth. They tell you lies this. And they tell you this that they are going to give you equal amount of give and take. They want to start a leap, they want to take a leap of faith in you, but there were some secrets hidden from you. The moon card is here. And what was the secret? That there is no equal amount of give and take. They were exploring other options. They were trying to manipulate you. There are dramas. Seven of Swords is there. Lies, cheating, manipulation was going on. There were conflicts again. Okay, but they promise you that they are going to give you equal amount of give and take. Clarify me Seven of Cups. Clarify Seven of Cups. Okay. Queen of Cups, Six of Cups. Six of Cups, Queen of Cups and Six of Cups. This is the person. 1 minute. Okay. Six of Cups, Queen of Cups. This is someone from the past, Aquarius. And here I was having King of Pentacles, King of Cups and Two of Swords. This was you. You were unable to decide, Aquarius. This King of Cups is you. And this person was offering you some kind of offer. Basically they were offering you, okay, the King of Pentacles is here. They were offering you some kind of offer, but you are not ready to accept it. You are unable to make a decision. Basically you are unable to make a decision, but this is your divine counterpart, I can say that. But they were exploring other options. They were keeping their options open. This person is from your past. Okay, Six of Cups, Queen of Cups, Seven of Cups. They were keeping their options open. Clarify me Seven of Wands. Please clarify me Seven of Wands. Strength. Four of Wands again. You need to keep your strength with you, Aquarius. You need to keep your strength with you. Clarify me world. Clarify world. Please help me out to clarify me the world. Five of Pentacles. The world card. What is world? Please clarify me world. Tower, Ten of Cups, Death and Rebirth. Five of Pentacles. Aquarius, some kind of, you're walking away from this person's life. Okay, either you are leaving this person behind or you leaving this situation behind. The Tower is here. The Ten of Cups is here. This situation is getting end. The Death card is here. Ten of Cups is there. Something unexpected changes are coming in your life, because this situation is getting end. The Death card is here. You're walking away from this person. You are leaving this person behind. And you are moving in a forward direction. Clarify me lovers. Fool and Ten of Wands. They were carrying lots of burden on themselves and they were starting a new beginning with you. Okay. There is Nine of Wands and here it is Ten of Wands. Yeah. Now they are feeling restricted, stuck. Page of Swords is there, bottom of the deck. Okay. Now they are spying online. Okay. They are keeping tabs on you. They are feeling stuck, restricted. They are unable to move in a forward direction without you. Clarify me Nine of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I'm having Three of Swords. Hangman, Two of Pentacles. You are feeling like an hangman. You are trying so hard to bring balance in the situation, but you are unable to make a balance in the situation. Okay, so you decide that I want to be single. I am happy. I am abundant in my own way, and going to wait. I'm going to wait for the right person in my life. See, right. Okay, let me clarify Four of Wands. Clarify me Four of Wands. Nine of Swords, Three of Wands, Eight of Cups. Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having Moon. There is some kind of walking away. You're moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. You're moving in a forward direction. Now they are unable to sleep at night. They are unable to sleep at night. Okay. You were waiting for them. Basically, you were waiting for them. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Moon. Okay, you get to know that there are some secrets which was hidden from you. Now you are moving in a forward direction. Eight of Cups. You are moving in a forward direction. World card and Devil and the Sun. 2121 was the recording reading time, Aquarius. Oh wow, I was taking the clarification of Lovers, Two of Cups. There was some kind of toxicity which was attached to this relationship. There was something which was not good at all. Okay, they were trying to give you new beginnings, the happy beginnings, but the devil is attached to it. Toxicity is attached to it. Not getting good messages for you today, Aquarius. Okay, not good in the sense ki this person, whatever, whoever it is, who is from your past, was not good at all. That I can say you. Okay, they treat you very bad. They put you in a third party situation. They play with your emotions. They give you lies, cheating, manipulation. The devil was attached to it. They were obsessive, controlling, manipulative. There is in and out energy here. I can see that. Okay, and they promised you that they will give you an equal amount of give and take. And after all that, when you start your relationship, they put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart. They broke your trust. They broke you a lot. Can you see the Three of Swords and Four of Swords? This girl is sleeping and the heart is here, and the heart is having stitches here, and the girl is having, wow, they hurt you a lot. Okay, no issues. Clarify me Nine of Wands. Clarify Nine of Wands. Again, Four of Wands, Ace of Wands. They're coming back to give you some kind of passionate new beginnings. They are coming towards you, Aquarius. Now they get to know your worth. They know, they realize that they have done see, Three of Swords. They know that they put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart. They know everything. It's not like that they do not know that. They are getting realization about that thing. Let's add some messages from the divine. What is the advice for the Aquarius? Please help me, divine universe, to give the advice. What is the advice? What is the advice? Give me the advice to the Aquarius. give me the advice. Use your intuitions, Aquarius, and Nine of Pentacles is there at the bottom of the deck. Okay, the advice from the divine, from the God is here. Magician, Knight of Wands, Knight of Cups, and Six of Wands. There are two energies which are coming from for you, Aquarius. Okay, one is Knight of Wands, again the player kind of energy, which is in and out energy, and one which will take you towards the calmer waters. Six of Wands is there, who will give you success, recognition, victory. This one is the loyal one. The Knight of Cups is there. Okay, you need to keep your strength, Aquarius. You need to keep your strength, because there is someone for you. The King of Wands, the Princess of Wands, Ace of Swords, Four of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and the Strength card here. So you need to keep your strength. You need to keep your strength. That's the message for you. You will get your clarity. Okay, you will get your clarity. You need to keep your strength with you. Let me clarify one more time. The King of Pentacle, I need to clarify. Clarify me, King of Pentacle. Death card has come here again. This situation is getting end, Aquarius. Do not worry at all. Okay, this situation is getting end, whatever it was. Okay. Clarify me, King of Pentacle. Clarify, King of Pentacle. Five of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. You are moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. You're leaving this person behind. Okay. Again that card has come. Five of Pentacle, Five of Pentacle, and your defenses are high. You are very protective. You are protecting your aura. Okay. Seven of Wands and Seven of Wands. You are protecting yourself. You need to protect yourself from those, Aquarius. There is an advice for you, Aquarius. Rest, it is your life, your decision. I am no one to comment on that, but there is an advice for you, Aquarius, that I can say you that. Okay, the advice is, if the person is not, whoever the person is not treating you right, okay, if they put you in a third party situation, if the person is narcissist, controlling, obsessive, okay, they are not treating you well, leave that situation. If the relationship is toxic, the devil is here, because I can say that. So if the relationship is toxic, leave the relationship as soon as possible, because you deserve the best, Aquarius, and you will get your partner very soon. You just need to end the toxicity, the toxic energy for you, and some kind of judgment is taking place in this person's life, because this person is not at all happy. Now they are getting to know your worth. Okay, now they are realizing that they have done wrong, but maybe they are trying to come back in your life. They will try to come back, and if you feel, because this energy is not good at all, that what I can say that. One minute. Seven of Swords, Devil, Three of Swords, and Five of Wands. This energy is not good at all for you. So maybe in the past they were doing that. That's why they left you. They were keeping their options open. That was not correct. But now they are realizing it. They are realizing it. There is some kind of judgment which is taking place in their life. Okay. So that was the extended love reading for you, my lovely, beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light, energy, healing energy. I can say that to all my beautiful magical beings all over the world. Okay. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, Aquarius, take care of yourself, beautiful magical beings. See you soon.